Hey guys, I'm Neha Naik and welcome to Get Curried. Today we are gonna see an easy recipe of chicken stir-fried sub sandwich. So let's get started. In a bowl, I've taken 200 grams of shredded chicken. To this, we'll be adding in around a tablespoon and a half of ginger garlic paste. We're mixing it. Mix it for some time so that the ginger garlic paste covers the chicken. Now we'll set it aside. Now we'll be making our paste. For that, I'll be adding in corn flour, some brown sugar, some green chili paste, and some soy sauce. We'll be mixing it. Once all the lumps have disappeared, we'll add in the chicken broth. Just give this a nice stir and keep it aside. Next, we'll be heating up a frying pan on medium flame. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, I'll be adding in sliced onions. We have to sauté the onions until they turn golden brown. Next, we'll be adding in chopped capsicum. Again, stir it. After a couple of minutes, we'll add in the chopped carrots. Once the vegetables are half cooked, we'll be adding in salt to taste. Now we'll be adding in our chicken. Saute the chicken for about 2 minutes and then add in the broth. Give the mixture a quick stir and then let it simmer until the sauce thickens. So while our gravy is thickening, we'll move on to the buns. We'll be taking 2 hot dog buns and we'll be slicing them in the middle. Just make sure that you don't slice it till the end. Now we'll be lining the buns with cabbage leaves. Our chicken is ready. Let's switch the gas off and we'll carefully spoon out the mixture on our buns. While spooning out the mixture, just take care not to overstuff the bun. You can have it as it is, or you can add in your favorite salad dressings on top or some cheese. Do try this recipe and let us know in the comment section below. For such easy recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried.